NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. Management Q&A Cockpit Query Intelligence plus Replay Intelligence. Vision Statement. The NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Management Q&A Cockpit represents a governance-first enterprise intelligence platform designed to transform management questions into governed, explainable, auditable, assured, and memory-driven decisions. The architecture combines enterprise governance, AI intelligence, assurance frameworks, and organizational memory into a single operating model. 1. Governance Brain. At the center of the architecture is the concept of one governance brain /N enterprise domains /N GPTs. Rather than building isolated AI systems for each department, NeuroGov Plus provides a centralized governance foundation capable of supporting finance, HR, healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, education, ESG, pharma, and future domains. 2. Management Q&A as the entry point. The cockpit begins with management questions. Executives no longer search through reports manually. Instead, they ask questions such as: what is the risk? What is the opportunity? What is the governance score? What is the board impact? What should management do? The system transforms these questions into governed intelligence. 3. Query Intelligence Engine. The query intelligence layer acts as the enterprise knowledge retrieval engine. It interprets management intent, retrieves relevant governance information, gathers evidence, and produces explainable responses supported by traceable data. 4. AI-trained memory. The architecture incorporates training data, test data, and unseen data to ensure that learning remains governed. This approach validates intelligence across known and unknown scenarios, reducing operational risk and increasing reliability. 5. Governance Analytics Layer. Governance analytics converts raw enterprise data into measurable intelligence through KPI engine, TST engine, OSI engine, RMSE engine. These engines provide quantitative visibility into performance, trust, stability, and prediction quality. 6. Analyzer 1.0. Analyzer 1.0 functions as the governance brain. It identifies patterns, anomalies, governance risks, opportunities, and emerging trends. It converts operational metrics into management-ready intelligence. 7. Policy Engine. The policy engine transforms enterprise policies into executable governance controls. It ensures that intelligence remains aligned with organizational objectives, regulations, compliance requirements, and internal governance standards. 8. Decision Authority. Decision Authority introduces accountability into AI operations. Every recommendation passes through governance validation before a final verdict is reached. Allow, condition, hold, block. This ensures governance remains responsible for enterprise decisions. 9. Assure Layer. Assure provides evidence, auditability, compliance validation, traceability, and replayability. It transforms decisions into verifiable outcomes and demonstrates that governance processes were actually executed. 10. Replay Intelligence. Replay intelligence enables organizations to revisit past questions, past decisions, past evidence, past policies, past actions. This creates enterprise memory and supports continuous learning, audits, investigations, and knowledge reuse. 11. Management Advisory. Management Advisory converts intelligence into actionable recommendations. Technical insights are translated into business language, allowing leaders to prioritize actions, mitigate risks, and improve operational performance. 12. Board Advisory. The board advisory layer provides strategic oversight through governance health indicators, risk exposure analysis, audit readiness, compliance readiness, and strategic confidence measures. This supports informed governance at the highest organizational level. Summary. NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Management Q&A Cockpit represents the evolution of enterprise intelligence from isolated AI models to a fully governed decision ecosystem. The architecture combines query intelligence, AI-trained memory, governance analytics, Analyzer 1.0, policy engine, decision authority, assure, replay intelligence, management advisory, board advisory, into a single governance-centric operating model. The result is an enterprise environment where every question can be answered, every decision can be explained, every action can be audited, and every lesson can be remembered. Power summary. Enterprise governance formula. Management question. Downward arrow. Query intelligence. Downward arrow. AI-trained memory. Downward arrow. KPI/TST/OSI/RMSE. Downward arrow. Analyzer 1.0. Downward arrow. Policy engine. Downward arrow. Decision authority. Downward arrow. Assure. Downward arrow. Replay intelligence. Downward arrow. Management advisory. Downward arrow. Board advisory. Downward arrow. AI memory. Core principle. AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. Enterprise architecture principle. 1 Governance brain rightward arrow, N enterprise domains rightward arrow, N GPTs. Enterprise outcomes. Transparent. Traceable. Explainable. Governable. Auditable. Assured. Replayable. Memory-driven. Strategic statement. Black box time is over, clarity in every layer. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the architect of NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise, Analyzer 1.0, Cognitive Cube, 3D, 10D AIDNN, and the governance first enterprise intelligence framework. His work extends traditional AI architectures beyond prediction and automation by integrating governance, assurance, explainability, auditability, replayability, and organizational memory into a unified enterprise operating model. Over decades of experience in enterprise systems, ERP platforms, cloud computing, governance frameworks, manufacturing systems, healthcare systems, and digital transformation initiatives, he has consistently focused on one objective: ensuring that enterprise intelligence remains trusted, governed, and accountable. The NeuroGov Plus architecture reflects this vision through a complete life cycle. Data rightward arrow, intelligence rightward arrow, governance rightward arrow, decision rightward arrow, assurance rightward arrow, memory. His methodology emphasizes rigorous runtime testing across training, test, and unseen data sets, ensuring that intelligence is validated, explainable, and reliable before it is trusted in operational environments. Key areas of contribution include NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Enterprise. Analyzer 1.0 Governance Engine. Cognitive Cube, 3D, 10D AIDNN. Governance Analytics Framework. AI Memory Architecture. Query Intelligence. Replay Intelligence. Management Advisory Intelligence. Board Advisory Intelligence. Enterprise Governance Architecture. His guiding principles remain: AI thinks rightward arrow, governance decides rightward arrow, assure proves. And 1 Governance brain rightward arrow, N enterprise domains rightward arrow, N GPTs. These principles form the foundation of a governance-centric vision for the future of enterprise artificial intelligence, where intelligence is not only powerful, but also explainable, traceable, auditable, assured, and continuously learning. Thanks for watching the video. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.